Good evening, friends. This side Rahul Magan here as a Group Chief Executive Officer, Treasury Consulting, and also a venture capitalist. As we speak, Treasury Consulting Group is a multinational headquartered group. We are based out Singapore. We do have offices in 3 countries of the globe. More importantly, we hold our own proprietary hedge fund, our proprietary commodities desk, our proprietary crypto desk, and lot of stuff. We have our learning arm, Sheetal Academy. We have our OTT platform over the top, and much more. In case you wish to have any information, you can directly WhatsApp me, which is +91 9899 242 978. Apart from that, Treasury Consulting Group runs educational platforms like on Telegram, on Twitter handle, on Facebook, and multiple places where we share the free information to educate the people. If you wish to have the links of these Twitter, Telegram, and all these platforms, you can definitely WhatsApp on my personal number. Before I start this topic, let me have few information. Industry expected to lose 84 billion US dollars in 2020. IATA. Basically, IATA is nothing but the custodian of the aviation sector in the world. Just like we have FASB, Financial Accounting Standard Board, IASB, International Accounting Standard Board, just like we have BIS, Bank for International Settlement, we have IATA in aviation sector. I'm 200% sure that 99% of us never been to the website of IATA, never read the various outlooks, their Twitter handle, the various updates they are sharing about the aviation sector. We are hardly bothered, to be honest. What we are bothered is about the Hindi media, the calls which Hindi media is giving, and we wanted to replicate this irrespective of knowing we lose after these calls. So according to IATA, the custodian of aviation sector in the world, industry expected to lose around 84 billion US dollars in 2020. According to another forum, ICAO, which is International Civil Aviation Organization, ICAO, International Civil Aviation Organization, industry expected to lose 370 billion US dollars, while the airports to lose around 115 billion dollars, around one third, while service providers to lose 13 billion dollars, 1/3. This is as per article dated 15th January 2021. A copy of the article is shared on our media desk on Telegram, which is free of cost. According to another article on 22nd January 2021, global airlines industry to lose $48 billion in 2021. This is again by IATA, the custodian of aviation sector. According to an article dated 1st January 2021, US airlines expected to lose around $35 billion in 2020. $35 billion in 2020. According to an article in Livebint, which is Indian news platform, Indian Airlines to lose 21,000 crores. 21,000 crores in 2020-21. Overall debt to cross 50,000 crores. Don't think that these are all the only headlines I have. Time is a constraint. I'm shooting this video at 3 a.m. in the morning. Time is the constraint, else I would have shown you a lot of articles. You know that I do a lot of research, and every video of Treasury Consulting, irrespective of the views, counts and all, is backed up by the data. We all understand that the civil aviation sector in the world is in great mess. There is hardly any doubt about that, except Hindi media. Hindi media is a setup who completely disagree with these words. As I speak, Mu variant, the latest variant, hardly any research is done on the Mu variant. Hardly. And according to the World Health Organization, Mu variant is in around 39 countries of the globe. And according to a very latest article, a copy of the article it shared on our media desk on Telegram and Twitter handle, Mu variant found in Los Angeles, shortly known as LA in US, around 167 cases being identified in Mu variant. 167. According to many articles on the Google, Mu variant is having capability to evade any vaccine. Many articles confirm that Pfizer vaccine lasts only 6 months. And now Moderna, Pfizer and many pharmaceutical companies are launching boosters. After United States, United Kingdom, Israel, now Cyprus is more or less authorizing the boosters. And I'm sure in another couple of months, almost whole world would make boosters mandatory, which means if you are done with 2 vaccines, after 6 to 7 months, you are supposed to have a booster shot. By the way, this booster excludes Mu and another C category virus which recently came into the picture. Keeping this as a backdrop, how many of us believes that there is a future which is left as far as the aviation sector is concerned? Let me know in your comment section. I went through Reuters and I collated the data of 2 airlines, in fact, only 2 listed airlines in India. Frankly speaking, India is having 4 airlines, which is Vistara, Air India, Indigo, I never count Jet, and the Spice. There are few small airlines who operate in a very small manner, but 4 big airlines. Indigo is listed, Spice is listed, Indian Airlines is not listed, Vistara is not listed. So if they are not listed, I don't have any data. If they are listed, they are on Reuters, I got the data. So I collated the data of Spice. In 2019, they reported 3,024 million of loss. You heard me right. 3,024 million worth of loss, which is PAT, profit after tax. In 2020, they reported 9,366 million of loss, which is around 3 times. In 2021, they reported 10,300 million worth of loss. So 2019, 3,024 million. 2020, 9,366 million. 2021, 10,300 million. And you know that how 2021 is going to be fared up for balance of the year, and now we have Mu variant. What is going to happen? This is not where the scene is ending. Rather, the scene is starting. I went to Reuters and checked again in detail, and I saw the debt section and I was like, oops. In 2017, 11,500 million worth of debt. All numbers are in INR. 11,500 million worth of debt. In 2018, 13,000 million worth of debt grew. In 2019, around 11,100 million of debt. In 2020, exorbitant figure, 98,300 million of debt, more than 9 times. 98,300 million rupees. 2021 is around 92,000 million. So frankly speaking, from 2017 to 2021, which is around 4 years, you can say, in 4 years the debt grew by around 9 times. So in 2017 the debt was around 11,500 million. In 2021 it is around 92,000 million, which means that the SpiceJet debt grew around 9 times in last 4 years. And by the way, the corona started in 2020. So please don't say that in 2017, 2018, 2019 we were having corona. Please. In 2019 to 21, the loss grew more than 3 times. So overall, in a SpiceJet, in last 3 years, in fact last 2 years, 2019 to 21, the loss grew by 3 times, while in the last 4 years, the debt grew by 9 times. This is SpiceJet. I'm not raising the concern of going concern because I'm not the auditor. But yes, these numbers look scary, at least to me. Because I once again reiterate, industry expected to lose 84 billion in 2020, IATA. International Civil Aviation Organization is saying industry to lose around 370 billion US dollars. Global airlines industry to lose 48 billion in 2021, IATA. US airlines expected to lose 35 billion in 2020. Indian Airlines to lose 21,000 crores and overall debt to cross 50,000 crore in 2020-21. I don't think if I have this as a backdrop, the scene is rosy for another couple of years. When the vaccines came, except few people in the medical science, everyone was saying that now corona is gone, we have vaccine. Today the media started saying that this vaccine is effective only for 6 months and then it wanes, which is known as efficacy in medical terms. The breakthrough cases, which means the people who have double doses, still corona, are in thousands across the globe. India is not an exception. If we still feel that aviation sector is a buy as per Hindi media, because Indigo is around 2000, if I'm not mistaken, very close to 2000. By the way, we have a special video on Indigo very soon. Then please go ahead and buy. Because I don't think that civil aviation is a buy call anymore. And especially when today I got to know that Mu is found in 167 cases in Los Angeles. Maybe for Hindi media this is not a threatening news, but to me it is a threatening news. By the way, if next time Hindi media will say that buy SpiceJet or buy Indigo, just ask them, do you aware that in between 2019 to 2021 the losses grew by more than 3 times, while the debt grew by around 9 times. This is Rahul from Treasury Consulting Group. Have a great time. This is the video which is dedicated to the Treasury Consulting Group. And to be very honest, we are keeping this video now onwards at the end of every YouTube video. And all the courses by Sheetal Academy and Treasury Consulting Group. There are many questions people generally raised about Treasury Consulting, the products, the services, and we reply these questions on WhatsApp, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, and variety of forums. But the quantity of questions, the queries are continuously increasing. Henceforth, we decided to make a video. Of course, this is not the only video which we are making. Rather, over the period of the time, we would continue to upgrade this video, to be precise. First of all, Treasury Consulting Group is a multinational headquartered group. We are based out India, Singapore, and Hong Kong. As we speak, company is around 5 years plus old, and more importantly, we are 100% cash rich company. Unlike the so-called unicorns, without quoting the name, and even if I quote the name, it's a fact that they never touch the profit. The company is in profits from inception. So since inception, the company is in profit. So we are a 100% cash rich group, 0% venture capitalist, and 0% debt. More importantly, our legal entities invest our free cash with mutual funds and international banks across the globe. We are a client to almost top 10 mutual funds in India, and that is the reason we do have holistic information about the mutual fund industry in India. That's a separate thing, that majority of the information never comes in public domain. Even if a fraction of the information comes in public domain, this fraction of information come for one day, and then you know how it happens. So as we speak, we do have three legal entities: India, Singapore, and Hong Kong. More importantly, we are a cash rich group, and we are having 0%, which means not a single cent invested by any venture capitalist or private equity firm. The company has not taken debt from any bank, financial institution, or hedge fund. So we are a zero debt company. That is something which we need to understand very holistically. The following are the products and services we do have about Treasury Consulting. The more detail is coming at the as the video progress. We have our own proprietary hedge fund. Many people in the world do not understand the meaning of proprietary. The proprietary means no party outside Treasury Consulting can invest in our hedge fund, which means that we trade with our own money. We are not accepting anybody's money. Even if you give us any amount of money, any proposal on the table, it is completely rejectable. So proprietary is a word which is often used in United States and Europe, but unfortunately this is least used in India. The proprietary means people trade their own money. They do not trade somebody's money. Even if tomorrow, after listening this video, you come to us and say that I give you $1 million to trade my money, I will say thank you very much. We are literally not interested. We hold our own proprietary fund, and that fund would continue to be proprietary, which means that the outside participation would continue to be zero forever. This fund includes the equities desk, the commodities desk. We have our virtual comics platform. More importantly, we have our OTT Academy. OTT stands at over the top. Just like we are having Amazon Prime, we are having Netflix, Disney. There are so many, OTT platform we have worldwide. Our OTT platforms is not as big because they started 6 months ago. But thankfully, we are having handful of customers, and they are growing. In our OTT platform, we are creating video and uploading at the back end of our platform. People with authorized login ID and password can see these videos. Apart from that, no one else is authorized to see these videos. As the video progresses, you will get to know that as we are having around 13 plus, which is 1 3, 13 plus different series as far as the OTT platform is concerned. As we speak, August 2021, it is 13 plus, and we are continuously adding more series. Our idea is very clear. We will reach to 35 or probably 40 series in another 1.5 years of time. We are having our learning arm, which is Sheetal Academy. The details of the Sheetal Academy is given at the end of the video. We have our own family office desk. Rather, very soon, our hedge fund would be a part of our family office. We have our own pension fund desk in terms of consulting. And there are 62 plus different platforms which are listed on our fixed income platform, which is www.fixedincome.global. So as we speak, we have our proprietary hedge fund, we have our equities desk, we have our commodities desk, we have our virtual comics platform, our OTT Academy, our penny stock desk, Sheetal Academy, family office, pension fund, and variety of such platforms. TRFX Academy, which is our OTT platform, over the top platform. This platform is having 13 plus series. Now, few I mentioned, basic series, moderate series, advanced series, valuation series, treasury series, wealth management platform. Wealth management platform is actually integrated with TRFX Academy and would continue to be integrated because of course we would be investing heavily in the wealth management platform. When we speak about wealth management platform, we speak about the learnings. We are not talking about the trading. There is a difference. It's a training platform. Remember this. We have 13 plus different series, like few are basic series, moderate series, valuation series, advanced series, treasury series, research and analysis series, and we have variety of such series. So please do remember that. As we speak, we have around 180 plus videos live. Every week we shot 10 videos, so every month we are adding around 40 to 50 videos, and it will keep adding more and more videos as the time would come. The target is very clear that we would be having more than 2000 plus videos probably in another 2 years of time, which means a dedicated private platform for learnings. So what is the wealth management platform? A wealth management platform is designed to cover all asset classes of the globe. The asset classes includes the fixed income, currencies, commodities, credit derivatives, structured derivatives, and many more. So I repeat, a wealth management platform is designed to cover all asset classes of the globe. Wealth management platform is also designed to cover continent-wise topic. Continents are United States, Europe, AXI, Asia excluding India. We have excluded India because the financial markets in India are very shallow. Very shallow. Like if you speak MTN, medium term notes, if you speak about any exotic derivatives, nowhere people are taking this. In fact, you know that I worked as a corporate registrar. Even today, 99% of the treasury function in India are working as a cost center. Hardly 1% are working as a profit center. Hardly 1%, to be honest. So the continent-wise include United States, Asia excluding India, Asia excluding Japan, India and Japan, global financial centers like Singapore, Dubai, Hong Kong, Luxembourg, Switzerland, and respective, and of course Latin America. We are creating a wealth management platform which would be covering everything. Example, CDS, credit derivatives. India is not a market of credit derivatives. Reserve Bank of India on paper allowing credit derivatives, but neither we have buyer nor we have sellers of credit derivative. So on paper you have credit derivative, but practically you don't have the credit derivative in place. Henceforth, we really need to understand that if we wanted to talk about credit derivative, the only markets are US, Europe, or Singapore. India was not a market, is not a market, and would continue to be, because we are doing nothing substantial to create a credit derivative market in India. That's the reason, even after a lot of frauds which are happening, banks are just writing off the money from their books. Simply writing off the money from their books. Had it been the credit derivative, banks would be able to get their money back. But once again, if you talk about this issue, people don't understand because they are not interested to have this. Anyways, a wealth management platform designed to cover all asset classes of the globe. And very soon, this wealth management platform would link with our fixed income platform, which is www.fixedincome.global. And of course, we would be adding crypto as well. That is most important. We are planning around 1000 plus wealth management videos by December 2022, which would be covering continents like United States, Europe, Japanese market, Asian markets, global financial centers, Latin America, the tax havens like Bermuda, BVI, Caribbean and respective, and structured finance, my favorite. 1000 plus videos would be covering almost everything as far as the wealth management is concerned. We would be covering a very simplistic and the plain vanilla topic. At the same time, we would be covering the exotic topic also. So basically, our wealth management platform is for the people those who are having zero knowledge, and it is also for the people those who are having advanced knowledge. Please understand that. It is not designed for the people those who only have basic knowledge or the people who wanted to have exotic knowledge. People with the basic, moderate or advanced, they all can participate. This is our TRFX Academy, a screenshot taken from our fixed income platform. This TRFX Academy is our OTT platform, which is over the top platform. And in this TRFX Academy, we are of course interlinking the wealth management platform also. I promise you, probably in another 1 to 2 years of time, we would be adding a lot of content in our wealth management platform and of course our TRFX Academy. Only people with the login ID and the password can enter into this platform, and of course on a weekly basis we are trying to have at least around 10 plus videos, so that we would be able to reach to the target as far as the December 2022 is concerned, and we are committed to it, sir, to be honest. Treasury Consulting Group having own learnings platform, which is known as Sheetal Academy. As we speak, Sheetal Academy is covering around 13 plus schools. Few are mentioned here. The World of Options, Option Worlds, School of Nifty and Bank Nifty, School of Investment Banking, School of Venture Capitalist and Private Equity, School of Commodities, School of Accounting, School of Foreign Exchange, School of Treasury and Risk Management, School of Forensics, and more schools are coming. Before I change the slide, the purpose of Sheetal Academy is to create a learning platform which link with Thomson Reuters and Bloomberg. We know that we have many learning academies worldwide, and I challenge all learning academy, how many of them are actually linked with Reuters and Bloomberg? I often share Reuters and Bloomberg screenshots on YouTube, on LinkedIn, on WhatsApp, on Facebook, on Twitter. Hardly I see, in fact, limited people in the world are sharing the Reuters and the Bloomberg platform screenshots, because the question is, it requires a very deep and dense knowledge. Once you are sharing the screenshots, people generally ask questions from you, and you should have a knowledge to reply. That is more important thing. Very soon we have more schools coming. So as we speak, we are having Option World, Nifty, Bank Nifty, School of Investment Banking, School of Venture Capitalist and Private Equity, School of Commodities, School of Accounting, School of Foreign Exchange, School of Treasury and Risk Management, School of Forensics. The other schools are School of Trade Finance, School of Regulatory, School of Treasury Technologies, Functional Training. We have functional trainings, forensic trainings, information technology trainings, regulatory trainings, and technological trainings. As we speak, around 200 plus trainings are listed. More trainings are coming over the period of the time. All these trainings and everything are integrated with our fixed income platform. You visit our fixed income platform and you would be able to get all trainings and all information here. Apart from that, we provided you the WhatsApp number. You just WhatsApp if you have any query, and in most of the cases we reply if we feel that the query is genuine. So the Sheetal Academy is a platform whose job is to provide practical and industry oriented knowledge. Of course, we link with Thomson Reuters, Bloomberg TV, and many international magazines, international books, and so on and so forth to provide you as practical training. You visit our YouTube channel. In fact, the video you just listened, you can compare this video with any other YouTube channel and rest you know. Apart from that, we just launched our TCG Video World. What is that? We have people, those who working day night in their respective jobs. Some are engineers, some are finance people and all. They don't have time to attend the regular one-to-one trainings. I agree that they need video trainings, like the content shot in the video delivered to them, and as and when they get time, they listen to it. We launched our TCG Video World, Treasury Consulting Group Video World. In this video world, we have decided to have 100 plus topics, 5 already done as we speak. As we speak, 5 video trainings are live, pay and get. The only time need is the time to upload on Telegram groups. Every training at least 1 hour or 2 hours. It is a video training, so it is not a one-to-one training. Videos are recorded, you get the videos, recorded videos. Videos to be upload in the Telegram groups, because Telegram gives you the privilege to upload 2 GB of video. Whenever we feel that the video length is big, we request people to share their Gmail IDs. They can create their fresh Gmail ID and we upload the video in their Gmail ID. Which so that because Telegram as we speak is giving a privilege of only 10 GB, 2 GB. This TCG Video Worlds covering advanced trainings, moderate trainings, and basic trainings. So basic trainings, advanced trainings, moderate trainings. Please note my next word carefully. All basic trainings would be 2000, which means you choose any topic of basic you get at 2000. Moderate and advanced training pricing depend upon content to content. So I repeat, TCG Video World is a platform when you have 100 plus topic, 5 already live, 2 hours video training. It's a video training to be uploaded in the Telegram group. If we need more space, we request for Gmail ID. Advanced trainings, moderate trainings, and basic trainings. Please do remember this. And this is live. This platform is well integrated with our fixed income platform, www.fixedincome.global. So this is well integrated with our fixed income platform. This is a glimpse of our hedge fund desk. Like I made myself very clear upfrontly that no third party in the whole world can enter in this platform, which means that we do not trade somebody's money. We only trade our own money. So no third party can enter in our platform. This is only for ours. But this platform covers equity desk. This platform covers scalping group. This platform covers commodities desk, comics platform, penny stock desk, silver scalping fund which we just started, and more importantly the Asian desk where we're covering Singapore and all, and the digital gold. More product we would be launching in this hedge fund. But I will again repeat, no third party except Treasury Consulting can enter in this fund. This is not for outsiders. This is our prop hedge fund, which is completely designed for the organization, by the organization. No third party is allowed. And we are very limited companies in the world, those who are running the profitable hedge fund. Our income and everything is really good, but we do not trade somebody's money. These are our credentials. You know my handheld number 9899242978. These are our WhatsApp numbers, our platform www.fixedincome.global, email ID rahul.magan@treasuryconsulting.in or info@treasuryconsulting.in. I assure you, probably in another 1 year of time, we would have more than 100 plus different platforms across the globe. Company would continue to be cash rich. We never allow any venture capitalist to enter in our company because we know the side effects of that. And we continue to add lots of products and services. In case you wish to have any information, these are all the credentials. Thank you guys and have a great time ahead.